Here we're going to find the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix, and we're going to do so by using the expansion of diagonals. So remember, I'm going to take these first two columns and I'm just going to rewrite them. And then negative 1, 1, 1. Okay, just like that. So I'm going to work my way down. I have this diagonal, and this diagonal. And I'm going to multiply them all together. 5 times 1 times negative 3. Negative 1 times negative 6 times negative 4, and then 3 times 2 times 1. And all of these are going to be addition. And then my minors, I'm going to kind of work back this other way, and I have negative 4 times 1 times 3, and 1 times negative 6 times 5, and finally, negative 3 times 2 times negative 1. And all of these are going to be subtraction. So I have a lot of little terms here. I need to take all these products and then add or subtract them as indicated. So I'm going to start out by looking at these two negative signs next to each other. That'll change to positive, and these two will change to positive. So let's go ahead and let's start multiplying all this stuff together. 5 and 1 and negative 3 will make negative 15. Here I'm adding, I have 3 negative signs, so that'll be negative. 1 and 6 and 4, so that's 24. Here I have positive, and there's no negative sign, so just 3, 2, and 1 makes 6. So as I continue, I'm adding here 4 and a 1 and a 3, so no negative signs, so I'm adding a 12. Here I have minus, but then a negative, so those are going to cancel each other out. So I'm adding 1 times 6 times 5 is 30. And finally, I'm adding, but I have one negative in there, so it's going to be 3 and 2 and 1 should be a negative 6. So at this point, it's kind of just using your mental math skills to add. Well, I know these 6's are going to cancel out, a positive 6 and a negative 6. So it looks like my negative 15 and my positive 30 will make 15. And my negative 24 and my positive 12 will make a negative 12. So when I go ahead and add those together, 15 minus 12, I know that I have 3. So the determinant for this 3 by 3 matrix is going to be 3.